Hey, Ghosties! Toca Gacha here. Here is episode 1 of Baby Hazel Gets Grounded. I hope you enjoyed this video, Ghosties! You're grounded, Baby Hazel. Baby Hazel makes fun of Jason because of his Halloween costume.
I'm bored of playing outside. What shall I do now? I know! How about I be mean to Jason? Jason.
What do you want, Baby Hazel?
I just wanted to tell you that your Halloween costume looks ugly and stupid.
That was rude, Baby Hazel. I think I am gonna cry.
What is going on here? I think I need one of my siblings for help. Najisa!
What's all this racket about? Did you make Jason cry, Baby Hazel? Tell me the truth now.
Yes, I did make Jason cry.
Baby Hazel, why would you even dare to make fun of Jason because of his Halloween costume? That wasn't nice of you. That means you're grounded until Heartstopper Volume 5 comes out. No sweets for you tonight and go to the naughty room. Jason, I'm here. I will call for Shade and Manatsu for you.
Okay, Naji, sir.
Jason must have a runny nose.
You're right, Hannah.
We're here, Jason.
The fact that Baby Hazel made you cry is so horrible.
I agree with you, Manatsu.
Shade, Manatsu, I really need a hug. I feel so upset.
That is why I don't like Baby Hazel.
Hey Ghosties! Toca Gacha here. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a video again. Bye Ghosties! Hey Ghosties! Toca Gacha here. Before you go, here is a quick reminder to like, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a video again. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye Ghosties!